This is Gore's Safi, Jordan's food basket, a region facing severe challenges: drought, microplastic pollution, and heavy metal contamination. We are a team of researchers investigating how these environmental stressors affect plant health and soil quality in these vulnerable regions. In our experiment, we simulate polluted conditions using control boot studies. This allows us to monitor how different levels of pollution impact plant development over time. Through this phase, we track plant progresses, measure pollution levels, and assess how plants respond to environmental stressors. The plants show clear signs of stress, such as drooping leaves and yellowing, clear indicators of environmental damage. Our data reveals a strong link between pollution levels and declining plant health. These findings are crucial for understanding long-term environmental impacts. We need more research to develop solutions for pollution control and protect the environment. Visit our website to learn more and get involved.